Leg workouts can feel tricky with just body weight, but this 10-minute calisthenics routine changes the game. It's designed to push your leg muscles in a way that builds strength and improves how you move, all without equipment. Let's get started and give your legs the attention they deserve. Many people focus on their upper body because it's what they see in the mirror, but leg training is just as important, if not more. Your legs are your foundation. They support you through almost every movement you make, from standing to running to picking up groceries. Strong legs improve balance, stability, and overall body strength. And the great thing about bodyweight exercises is that they're gentle on your joints while still being super effective. If you've avoided leg workouts because they seem too intimidating or complicated, don't worry. This 10-minute workout is designed with beginners in mind and will build your strength step by step. Before you jump into the workout, it's very important to warm up your legs to prevent injury and get your muscles ready to work. A simple warm-up takes only 2 to 3 minutes. Start with 30 seconds of jogging in place to get your heart rate up and loosen your muscles. Follow that with 30 seconds of high knees to engage your core and activate your leg muscles. Next, do some dynamic stretches like leg swings to improve your flexibility. Finish with 30 seconds of light squats to engage your quads and glutes. This warm-up will prepare your body for movement and help you perform better during the workout. This workout is designed to target all the major muscles in your legs, your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. The best part is that they're scalable. If the workout feels too easy as you get stronger, you can increase the duration of each exercise, add more sets, or incorporate more advanced variations like jumping squats or Bulgarian split squats. The workout consists of 7 exercises, each performed for 40 seconds, followed by 15 seconds of rest. We'll go through the circuit twice, totaling 10 minutes. So let's go. We'll start with bodyweight squats, one of the most effective exercises for building leg strength. They primarily target your quadriceps, but they also engage your glutes, hamstrings, and calves. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your chest up, engage your core, and lower your body as if you're sitting back into a chair. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes. Go as low as you comfortably can, then push through your heels to return to the starting position. If you're new to squats, it's okay to go halfway down. As you get stronger, you'll be able to go deeper. Lunges are great for building strength in each leg individually. They also improve balance and stability. Start by standing tall with your feet hip width apart. Take a step forward with your right leg and lower your body until your right thigh is parallel to the ground and your left knee is just above the floor. Push through your right foot to return to the starting position, then repeat on the other side. Alternate legs for 40 seconds. If you're struggling with balance, hold on to a wall or chair for support. Glute bridges target your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor, about hip width apart. Keep your arms by your sides, palms facing down. Press through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Lower your hips back down slowly, then repeat. Glute bridges might feel easy at first, but as you keep going, you'll feel your muscles working hard. This exercise is fantastic for strengthening your posterior chain, the muscles on the backside of your body. Strong calves play a big role in building strong legs, and calf raises are a simple way to strengthen them. Stand with your feet hip width apart. Slowly raise your heels off the ground so you're standing on the balls of your feet, then lower them back down. Keep your movements controlled and focus on feeling the contraction in your calves. If you want an extra challenge, try doing the exercise on one leg at a time or holding onto a wall for balance if needed. The wall sit is a great isometric exercise that challenges your quads and builds endurance. Find a wall and press your back against it. Lower yourself into a seated position with your thighs parallel to the ground, as if you're sitting in an invisible chair. Your knees should be directly above your ankles. Hold this position for as long as you can during the 40 seconds. If your legs start shaking, that's a sign they're working hard. If it's too tough, come up slightly and keep going. Split jumps add a cardio element while challenging your legs. Start in a lunge position with your right foot forward and your left foot back. Lower your body into a lunge, then explode upward, switching your legs in midair so you land with your left foot forward and your right foot back. This is a more advanced move, so if you're a beginner, you can modify it by stepping back and forth instead of jumping. Split jumps are amazing for building strength, power, and coordination. Finally, we'll finish with skate skaters. Skaters are a fun way to target your glutes, quads, and calves while improving your coordination. Stand on your right foot and leap to the side, landing on your left foot while swinging your right leg behind you. Keep your movements controlled and try to land softly. This exercise is great for improving balance, agility, and leg strength. If you're new to skaters, you can take smaller steps or reduce the range of motion until you feel more comfortable. And that's it. Just like warming up, cooling down is an important part of your workout. I highly recommend spending a few minutes stretching and moving gently after exercising, which helps your muscles recover faster and reduces soreness. Now, people often ask me, can I work out my legs every day? The simple answer is no, you shouldn't. Training muscles more often can help you build strength and muscle mass, but doing too much will have the opposite effect. A 2016 study in the Sports Medicine Journal found that it's best to train a muscle group no more than twice a week. While some people train the same muscle group up to 3 times a week, but 2 days showed the best results for building muscle. The key to making progress with this workout is consistency. Doing it once won't transform your legs, but doing it regularly 2 to 3 times a week will make a big difference over time. Combine the workout with a balanced diet, rich in protein, healthy carbs, and fats to fuel your muscles and help them recover. Stay hydrated and get plenty of rest, especially if you're new to exercising. And remember, progress takes time. Celebrate small wins, like being able to hold a wall sit longer or do more squats without stopping. That's it. Why not focus on just legs? Watch this detailed video on how you can start calisthenics in 2025.